Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can customize the emoji of your keyboard on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now click on additional settings, go into languages and input, manage keyboards and settings. Then tap on theme and choose this plus sign under my themes. After that, click on one of your images, like that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done, and click on the switcher next to key borders to enable or disable them. Lastly, click Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!